Welcome to this explainer. Let's build a brand new channel, engineered for massive algorithmic growth right from day one. Ever wonder why new creators get stuck at 0 views? It's usually a totally flawed amateur setup. We're ditching that vulnerable amateur setup for a secure, AI-optimized professional foundation. Here's exactly how we do it. First up, make a fresh Gmail. Use your real name and definitely set your age to over 18. Why? Because if you're under 18, YouTube restricts you to kids' content. We want maximum reach here. Next, nail that professional branding. Pick a unique name, grab a glowing 3D logo, and a macro-textured banner. Now, the ultimate secret to instant discoverability is hiding right in your backend settings, channel keywords. Just drop in your exact name, a few common misspellings, and 5 core niche topics into those settings. Then, match your niche to a category. Teaching business tips? You gotta lock in that education category. By doing this, you're literally training the AI to hunt down your perfect target audience immediately. Also, don't skip verification. You absolutely must unlock custom thumbnails and longer videos to actually compete. Just verify your phone number and do a quick 6-second face scan. Boom, those advanced tools are yours. Okay, so your channel is highly optimized, but how do we link up to make some real money? Here's the golden rule. Wait for consistent views before dropping sponsor links, so the algorithm doesn't flag you. Once those initial views actually start rolling in, pop your Instagram and a business email into your description. Here's a crucial secret. Let your optimized channel rest for 24 hours before uploading so the AI can index. To prove this works, we tested this exact framework on a brand new, super competitive finance shorts channel. In that cutthroat niche, the target was just 1,000 views. This pro setup absolutely crushed it. The very first video pulled over 4,000 views. It proves this exact foundation drives massive algorithmic growth. So, your professional AI-optimized foundation is finally built. Will your very first upload be the one that goes viral?